Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install and use the HubSpot Keyboard on iPhone, and it's also available for Android. So you jump into settings and you do a search for HubSpot, and then you can go to Keyboard, turn on HubSpot, turn on the allow full access and accept, and then you should now see the keyboard in your normal keyboard section. So when you change your language in the keyboard by clicking the little circles, down the bottom left, you can change the keyboard to the HubSpot keyboard. So in Outlook, for example, you can use your normal keyboard to set, who you're sending the email to, the subject, and then you switch to HubSpot, and then you can see all of your details like meeting links, snippets, documents, quotes, everything. So you can select a snippet that makes sense, drop that into the email to save you a bit of time. This is great if you're using your iPhone or your Android phone when you're not at your computer, but you still want to utilize some of the HubSpot features. So we have snippets and documents. Anything that you've saved in your account in HubSpot, you'll be able to get access to when you're in the iPhone or when you're in your Android phone. And all of these different elements can also be used in Gmail as well. So you can see here we've got everything available. Basically, any app on your phone that has a keyboard function, you can potentially use the text features of the HubSpot app like this. So you can see here, I've dropped in a quote that I have here for this new deal, and then the link is automatically added in there as well. And finally, in Notes, you can also use the snippets to generate the template that you want to use to save details of meetings or other things. If you just want to drop that straight into a Apple Notes or a Google kind of note, then you can put that in as well and use all the templates you've already set up and the snippets you've already set up. If you haven't seen that snippets video, I've added a link here. And finally, the last thing to keep in mind in the HubSpot keyboard is to scroll through to the settings page, and you can turn on the team assets so you can see your team members' snippets and other things. So just keep that in mind as well. So that's it for today's video about this HubSpot keyboard. Please feel free to ask any questions or make any comments below, and I'd love to hear your feedback. And if this has been an interesting video, please feel free to like it and also subscribe for more content about HubSpot and Zapier and everything else. We'd love to have your support. So thanks again, and see you in the next video. Cheers.